Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be talking about all about me. So I have 3 older sisters than me, and one of them almost looks behaviorally and physically like me. This is me and my sister. So let's look at similarities. I live in the same country. We have the same colored hair. I have an older sister, and we look almost alike by liking the same song, fruit, place in the world, around the world, and also both of us like playing games together. Let's move on to differences. We look different by height. I like both styles, like straight and curly, and she likes straight hair. I'm the youngest. I'm born in Australia. Everyone else is born overseas. I love chocolate and she loves desserts. Strengths: kindness, love of learning, good communication, have motivation, creativity like art, have positivity, focused, flexibility includes in time and work. Qualities include adventurous, generous, active, caring, humble, self-assured, reliable, versatility, thoughtful, and detail-oriented. I have a relationship in my family by staying together, eating together, having fun and play together, bake together, go out together, cook food together, watch a movie or drama together, and have dinner together. Aspects that shapes my identity: friends, outgoing, honest, caring, and fun. What makes me unique? My background, my country, my family, my friends, and my community. And this is my family below. And this is me. I have 3 sisters. This is my second youngest, the last youngest. This is my second youngest, and this is the oldest, my mom and my dad. This is all about me, and thank you for listening.